teachers, learners, and parents. Sir Jeff po, at your service. Alam nyo ba na meron tayong website na tinatawag na DepEd Commons? Ang DepEd Commons ay binuo upang gawing accessible ang pagtuturo at pag-aaral dito sa ating bansa gamit lamang ang inyong mga smart devices gaya ng cellphones, tablets, at computers. Dito ay maaari nating ma-access ang iba't ibang learning materials mula sa Department of Education. Meron itong mga interactive materials, electronic self-learning modules, at instructional video lessons mula sa DepEd TV na tiyak na makatutulong sa pag-aaral ng mga mag-aaral galing ka man sa public o private school. Walang problema dahil welcome ang lahat dito. Para ito sa mga guro, magulang at mga mag-aaral mula sa kinder hanggang grade 12, Alternative Learning System o ALS, at pati na rin ang special education. At huwag kang mag-alala dahil kahit walang load ay maaari mong ma-access ang mga learning materials. Tama! Libre ito. Ang kailangan mo lamang gawin ay i-on ang iyong data at buksan lamang ang iyong browser at i-type ang commons.deped.gov.ph. Alam na ba ng iyong mga kasamahang guro o mag-aral ang tungkol sa DepEd Commons? I-share mo na ang video na ito upang matuto rin sila kung paano gagamitin ang DepEd Commons sa mabilis at napakadaling paraan. Muli, ito po si Sir Jeff at kita-kits po tayo sa DepEd Commons. Paalam!
Mabuhay! Isang mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. Ako ang inyong lingkod, Tutor Madge. Welcome sa ating ETUlay, ang ating libreng online tutorial na hatid ng ating kagawaran ng edukasyon, ICTS EdTech. Ang programang ito ay inaasahang makatutulong at maging karagdagang kaalaman sa mga mag-aaral mula kinder hanggang senior high school, ALS, Alive, at SPED learners. Bukod sa pagsagot ng mga modules, ang ETUlay ay may mga special programs din na siguradong aabangan ninyo araw-araw. Katuwang ang ating mga minamahal na mga magulang at guro ay maitutuloy natin ang pagkatuto. Kaya, ihanda na ang inyong module, lapis, papel o kwaderno. Ihanda rin ang isip, mata at tenga sa isa na namang makabuluhang aralin. Tayo nang matuto kasama ang inyong volunteer online tutor sa oras na ito.
Isang magandang hapon po sa lahat. Hello, Ma'am Shi Jovi and Ma'am Shi Wella.
Hello, Tutor Prince.
Ayan, machi-machi na naman kayong dalawa, ha? Pinag-usapan ba?
Hindi masyado.
Hindi masyado. Okay, so ayan ha. Week 7 na tayo, ang bilis. Ilang weeks na lang. 2 weeks na lang actually. Tapos na ang quarter 1. Pero, Ma'am Shis and mga bata, next week po ay papahinga lang muna tayo, ha? Wala mo ng ETUlay sessions, pero tuloy-tuloy pa ng ating mga pagkatuto sapagkat abangan yung mga materials na magagamit ninyo para makapag-review for Q1 exam sa ating Facebook group na DepEd ETUlay. Ayan. So, Ma'am Shis, ano po ang ating kailangang i-discuss o i-share sa ating mga learner this afternoon?
Okay. So, Tutor Jovi, share screen ka na. Okay, so, Tutor Prince, ang ating lesson for this week ay estimating quotient and solving problems involving division. Okay. So, ang last week, yes po. Yes po, Tutor Prince.
Sige po, last week po, ano po ang nangyari last week?
Yes po, last week po ay dividing 3 to 4 digit numbers by 1 to 2 digit numbers. And dividing mentally 2 to 4 digit numbers by 10, 100, 1,000 with and without remainder.
Yes. Ayun. So more on division pala tayo this afternoon. At di ba itong mga topic na to ay pang week 7 and week 8 na din, Ma'am Shis?
Yes.
Yan, kasi nga next week ay wala muna tayong ETUlay session. Ayan. So more on division pa rin naman. At di ba kapag nagsosolve tayo minsan, kahit hindi yung exact mong sagot ang hinahanap natin, tama, pero dahil nga mas importante yung kahit paano ay close to the actual answer, we will learn today how to estimate quotients using proper methods. So with that, syempre, I give you the floor now, Ma'am si Jubin, Ma'am Chuelas. Paalam na muna sa inyo.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
paalam,
Thank
Tutor
you.
Prince. Okay.
Okay. So, Tutorella, bago tayo magpatuloy,
Uh,
bati muna tayo sa ating mga online viewers. So, ako
uh,
muna, Tutorella. So,
okay,
isang
sige, Tutor.
matgandang, yes, isang matgandang hapon muli sa ating mga online viewers, online learners mula Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao, at lalong-lalo na ang mga taga-SDO Pasig na laging sumusuporta sa atin. At sa mga kaibigan ko din na nasa probinsya na nakasubaybay din sa SDO Isabela. Tutorella?
Okay, Tutor Jovi, gusto kong batiin yung ating mga grade 4 learners na nandito ngayon sa ating
Yes.
live. Okay, nandyan si Yana Rain Leonardo. Good afternoon po, watching from Tilapayong Elementary School. Si Mac Prince Calibonipes. Good afternoon po, Tutor Jovi and Tutorella. Tutor Prince. Okay, from Benetes Elementary School is DO Manila. Okay, so marami pang iba, Tutor Jovi. Nandyan din si Jan Kasla from Tabang Elementary School. Si Kyla Bless Paule. Si Heavenly Tanghian. Good
Yes.
afternoon. And si Justin Versola. Si Kyle. Si Kyla. Si Lian Mikaela. And then si Jade. And sa mga hindi nabanggit, good afternoon, learners. Okay.
Yes. So yan, good afternoon sa inyong lahat. Talaga namang ang mga learners natin ay ready na, Tutorella. So, learners, para mas marami ang makakapanood sa ating online tutorial ngayong hapon, ipaki-share muna natin ang ating link para mas marami, mas masaya. Di ba, Tutorella?
Opo, mas
Yeah.
maraming mas masaya para at least marami tayong maka-interact dito ngayong hapon, Tutor Jovi.
Yes.
Okay, so learners, what are you waiting now? Please share it now sa inyong mga kaibigan, sa inyong mga classmates para at least makasama natin sila ngayong hapon. Okay.
Okay. So, magpatuloy tayo. So, ipahanda natin ang mga learners natin. Maghanda po ng inyong papel o kaya at ballpen para ready na at makisabay sa ating pagkatuto sa Math 4. Okay. So, Tutorella, kami muli ang inyong mga tutor sa Math 4 Friday every 3 o'clock to 3:40 p.m. So, si Tutor Prince, si Tutorella at ang inyong lingkod, Tutor Jovi. Then, pagpasalamat tayo, Tutorella, sa nagpahiram sa atin ng module ngayong hapon.
Okay, so thank you so much to our module writers and sa central office for letting us use this module at of course sa development team ng modules na to. Okay,
so proceed na tayo,
continue.
Tutorella. Ano ang ating
Opo.
objectives?
Okay, so move on, Tutor Jovi.
So,
okay.
After this
Yes,
session, you are yes. After this session, you are expected to estimate the quotient of 3 to 4 digit dividends by 1 to 2 digit divisors with reasonable results. At Tutorella?
Solve routine and non-routine problems involving division of 3 to 4 digit numbers by 1 to 2 digit numbers, including money, using appropriate problem solving strategies and tools. And then,
Okay, so proceed na po tayo. So ano nga ba yung
may isa pa tayong objective, Tutor Jovi.
Yan. Solve multi-step, routine and non-routine problems involving division and any of the other operations of whole numbers including money using appropriate problem solving strategies and tools. Ayan, excited na kasi ako kaya gusto ko nang pumunta sa ating lesson. So, Sodakova. Ano nga ba ang Sodakova, children? So, paborito rin ba ninyo ang Sodakova? Alam nyo ba na ito ay tinawag din superfruits? Bakit siya superfruits? Kasi ito po ay rich in essential nutrients na kailangan ng ating katawan. Alam nyo no ba ang Sodakova? Yan, tama. Yan ay
avocado. Okay, so basahin natin ang ating story problem. So Mr. Enriquez harvested 1,675 avocados in his orchard. He plans to place 23 avocados in a basket. How many baskets will he need? So, sino ang may orchard? Yes, si Mr. Enriquez. At ilan ang kanyang na-harvest? So take a look at those numbers. So pagpatuloy natin para lalo nating maintindihan ang ating lesson. So how will you find the answer to this problem? So kailangan ba nating malaman agad yung eksaktong sagot? So take a look at about how many. So anong sinasabi ng about how many? Anong gusto niyang ipahiwatig sa atin? So kapag nabasa mo yung about how many, kailangan ba natin ibigay agad yung exact answer? So kapag sinabi nating about how many, ito ay by estimating the quotient. So estimate, tatantyahin natin. So hindi natin kailangang ibigay yung exact answer, ngunit tatantyahin natin. So alamin natin kung paano nga ba mag-estimate ng quotient. Okay, so let's proceed. So look at 23,000, look at our numbers. We have there, our dividend is 1,675 at ang ating divisor ay 23. So nakikita dyan, rounding method. So alam natin kapag nagra-round tayo, we are rounding it to the higher place value. So tandaan natin na ang dividend at divisor dapat ay ira-round natin to the highest place value para magamit natin yung rounding method. So kapag ini-round natin, ano ang lalabas na ating new divisor and dividend? So ano nga ba ang magiging divisor natin at magiging dividend? So we consider our new divisor is 20 and our new dividend is 200. So we have now 2,000 rather.
2,000.
So 2,000 divided by 20. So kasi pagka nag-e-estimate tayo, dapat naka-turn siya into 0, 0 para mas madali siyang mai-estimate o matantya. So 2,000 divided by 20. So look at the first two digit sa ating dividend. So 20. Then sa ating divisor, 20 din. So 20 divided by 20 is 1. So ano magiging result natin? So we consider 2,000 divided by 20 is equal to 100. Okay? So probably we are going to use 100 baskets. Pero tama na nga ba yan? Okay, there is another one method. At ang tawag dyan, okay, so rounding method is used, he needs about 100 baskets. So tingnan natin kung yan na nga yun ang kakailanganin natin. So based on our rounding methods. Another one is we have their compatible number method. Ano nga ba yung compatible number method? So titingnan natin using the numbers our dividend and divisor, which can be divided compatibly. So mag-iisip tayo ngayon, is pareho ba nating iraround yung dividend sa divisor? Iraround ba natin siya into highest place value? So mag-iisip natin ng pwede nating gamiting numbers kasi compatible. Kailangan pag nag-isip tayo ng number na compatible, ang magiging sagot natin din ay eksakto. Okay, so let's find out what is the compatible number that we use to this number equation. So we have to look at the divisor and our dividend. So take a look at this, kids. So yung 1,675 ang naiisip nating compatible number ay 1,600. Then i-divide natin siya sa divisor natin na 20. Kapag titignan natin, so 16 divided by 20, so hindi pwede. So pupunta tayo ngayon sa pangatlong digit na 160. So if we will divide 160 divided by 20, ano ang lalabas? So you have to think, oh, it gives you 8. Then 0 na lang yung natira. So kapag 0 na lang, so yung process na napag-aralan natin nung last time, i-apply pa rin natin yung process ng pagdi-divide ng number. So 8 tayo ang nakuha natin sa 160. So 160 divided by 20 is 8. So let's look at the answer. So we come up with 80. So 1,600, the compatible number for 20, and we come up with our quotient that is 80. Okay, so let's compare. Tingnan natin nga ba. So kung 80 na rin ba ang pwede natin gamitin? Kanina ang nakuha natin ay 100. So ngayon ang nakuha natin ay 80. So titignan kasi natin sa objective natin reasonable results. Is it the 80, the reasonable results na? Yan na ba talaga? So if compatible method is used, he needs about 80 baskets. So ang laki ng difference. So para makita natin ang pagkakaiba ng rounding method sa compatible number, we have to find out the actual answer. So as you can see there, in our rounding method na both the divisor and the dividend will round up to the highest place value, we come up with the quotient 100. And using compatible number, nag-isip tayo na ang 1,675 ang compatible sa 20 ay 1,600. So ang nakuha natin ay 80 as our quotient. And look at the actual answer. So 1,675 divided by 23 is equal to 72 remainder 19. So, kids, ano sa tingin nyo ang mas reasonable na sagot yan? Is it using rounding method or compatible number method? So, alin nga ba? So, which of the two estimate is closer to the actual answer? So, dapat isipin yung mabuti na ang magiging estimate nyo din, estimate quotient nyo, ay dapat malapit sa actual answer. So, alin dyan ang nakikita nyo na mas appropriate na gagamitin nating method? So, therefore, Mr. Enriquez needs about 80 baskets. So, mas nagamit natin yung method na compatible number method. So, pero kids, both method can be used. Okay? So, basta ang importante dyan, malapit siya sa actual answer. Okay, so let's proceed. So, let's have another example, rounding method. So, let's have this number. So, we have there 4,923 divided by 7. Gagamitan natin ng rounding method. So, yung 4,923 will become 5,000 divided by 7. Yung unang first two digit natin dyan ay 50. So, 50 divided by 7, so mahirap mag-estimate kasi may sobra. Diba? Hindi siya appropriate yung number natin. So, gagamitin ba natin yung rounding method? Kasi 50 divided by 7, so magiging, ang sagot mo dyan ay 7, tapos 7 times 7 is 49. So, sumobra yung 50. Dapat tandaan natin, kapag nag-estimate, we can give the exact number para pag estimate natin ay makukuha natin agad yung closer to the actual answer. So, dito sa ating number na to, can we use rounding method? Does 7 exactly divide 50? Yun ang tanong. So, sinabi na natin kanina, yung 50 ay mayroong remainder na isa. So, it does not give an exact answer. Okay. So, it is a no. So, hindi pwede natin gamitin yung rounding method na to. So, kunin natin ulit. Gamitin ulit natin yung 4,923 divided by 7 sa isa pang method natin, which is compatible number method. So, the number is 4,923 divided by 7. So, it will give us 4,900. So, ang compatible natin ay 4,900 divided by 7. Bakit siya 4,900? So, 49 divided by 7, it will give 7. So, it is eksakto lang po yung magiging quotient mo. So, you just copy the 20 there. So, compatible number nga ba ay ang magiging maaring magandang gamitin? Look at the actual product, actual quotient. So, our actual quotient now is 4,923 divided by 7. It will give us 703 remainder 2. So, mas nakikita na natin na yung compatible number ay mas malapit siya sa actual quotient natin. So yung pag-estimate natin using compatible number method ay mas magagamit natin kaysa doon sa isang method natin na rounding methods. Okay? So ganun lang po mga children, yung iisipin natin what is appropriate method para sa estimating. Okay, parehong tama po iyon. Basta ang iisipin natin, tatandaan natin na ang magiging result mo ay closer to your actual product. Diba, Tutor Wella?
Opo, Tutor
Yes.
Jovi. So ready na sila, Tutor Jovi, to answer our exercises.
Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, so compatible number method is better method to use. Kaya nang sinabi ko, walang mali doon, pero titingnan mo lamang yung appropriate method. Okay, so let's proceed. So number 1, estimating the following using rounding method, Tutor Wella. Yes, go
Okay,
on.
so for letter A, rounding method muna ang gagamitin. So we have number 1, 4,108 divided by 82. What will be the estimated quotient, children, for number 1 using the rounding method? Please comment now your answers. Okay. So, Tutor Joby, siguro mas naintindihan clear na clear ang pagpapaliwanag mo. Ibig
Yes.
sabihin, ang mga learners natin, alam ko, alam nila din ang sagot. Okay, so tingnan natin.
Okay.
May nakakuha na ba ng tamang
Ayan.
sagot? Okay,
Okay, may
so
nagpapakita po ng kanyang sagot, Tutor
yes,
Wella. Pakita
ang sagot
natin.
ni Clint ay 500, ang sagot ni Heavenly ay 50.09, ang sagot naman ni Catherine ay 50. Okay, ang sagot naman ni Yana ay 500, kay Sahulga ay 50, kay Erich, okay, kay Zerina 500. Okay, Tutor Joby, what is the correct answer? Tingnan natin.
Okay.
Okay, so kids, very good. Those who answered 50, you got it right. Okay, next, Tutor Joby,
Okay.
number 2.
Yes, so number 2 we have there 573 divided by 6. Will you comment down your answer? So ano nga bang method ang pwede nating i-apply dito sa number na ito? Okay, so please comment down your answer. Children, so tignan natin ang mga sagot nila, Tutor Wella.
Okay, meron na yatang sumasagot, Tutor Joby, for number 2.
Okay, so reveal na natin yung sagot. Okay, the
Okay.
answer is okay, yeah, may nakuha ni Sef Yakit, ni Ritz Alianza Bernardo. Sino pa ba? Ayan,
Si Mary
Udinov.
Sofia.
Si Clint Tabieros din nakuha po niya. Okay,
Okay.
so si Yana, si Saklian.
Evangeline. Sige, okay.
Okay.
Let's proceed, Tutor Joby, for number 3.
Yes.
The 1,342 pupils and teachers of Pawa Elementary School will go on a field trip. Buses to be hired have 52 seats each. About how many buses will they hire? Okay, so take a look at their children, 1,342 pupils. And sa bawat bus na ma-hire, merong 52 seats. Okay, so about how many buses will they hire, children? Okay, for number 3, meron na
May
kayang
sagot na
sumagot.
sila.
Si
May
Rich,
sagot
ang
na,
sagot
Tutor.
niya ay 25. Si Akisha ay 100. Si Yana ay 25. Si Rich, si Seth ay 20. Si Rich Alysa ay 25. Si Kyla Bless
Yes.
ay 25. So, Tutor Joby, what is the answer? What is the correct answer, Tutor Joby?
Okay.
Okay, so about 50 buses ang maha-hire nila. Okay, so
Okay.
next, let's proceed, Tutor Joby.
Okay, proceed na tayo sa compatible number method. So, compatible number method naman ang i-apply natin dito sa ating mga number equation. So, we have there 3,208 divided by 20. So, what will be the estimated product? Estimate ang kukunin natin, children, ha? Hindi yung exact. So, i-change nyo muna siya using compatible number method. So, please comment down your answer, children. So, number 1 natin, ano nga ba ang sagot dito? Okay, so shout out muna tayo, Tutor Wella, sa ating magandang SDS na si Ma'am Eva Lu Concepcion, sa ating principal na si Ma'am Regina R. Albay, at syempre sa ating PSDS na isa ring maganda at masipag si Ma'am Diana Marie Dagli, at syempre sa ating mga co-teachers sa San Lorenzo Ruiz Elementary School. Okay, so meron ng sagot, Tutor Wella. Ano nga ba ang tamang sagot? So we
Okay.
have there, yan.
Ayan. Okay. So, Tutor Joby, na medyo nalito siguro sila, no? Ang sagot nila ay 150. Medyo nagkulang ng 10.
Mm.
Oo.
Ande, Tutor Wella, number 3 yung sinagutan nila.
Number 3. I'm very sorry. So, this is number 1 pala ulit tayo for letter D. Okay.
Yan,
So, ang
nakuha
sagot
ni
yan,
Jade Amethyst.
yes,
Yeah.
si Maria. Ayan, 160. Si Yana, si Mac Prince, sino pa ba? Si
Si Jade.
Si Jade,
yeah.
si Martin. Okay, so ayan na po.
Even
160.
Philip and Isaac sa Hulga. Okay,
Okay.
number 2, Tutor Wella.
Okay, so
Yan.
for number 2, 3,613 divided by 56. Okay, learners, ano pang hinihintay ninyo? Magsagot na kayo sa comment box natin. Okay, for number 2, may nakikita na ako ang may sumasagot na sa number 2, Tutor Joby.
Okay, reveal na natin. Ang sagot
tingnan
ay?
Okay,
Ayan.
60. At nakuha ni Joram, ni Erica. Sino pa ba? Sino pa nga ito? Erica,
Jerome,
Denise.
Erica,
Oo.
si Philip,
si
Maria
Philip.
Isabel,
Okay.
Seth, Nancy,
Okay.
Saklian. Yan, marami-rami silang nakakuha, Tutor Wella.
Okay, so number
Okay,
3
so
na,
let's-
Tutor Joby.
Yes. Okay, basahin natin ang ating word problem. The Kids Heart Foundation donated 4,576 notebooks to 9 elementary schools. About how many notebooks did each school receive? So titingnan natin dito, children, yung ating mga given facts na 4,576 notebooks at yung 9 elementary school. So please comment down your answer using compatible number method. Okay, so tignan natin kung may mga sinagot na sila. Ayan, may lumalabas ng sagot, Tutor Wella. So ang sagot natin ay, ano nga ba ang sagot? O ayan, 500 ang maibibigay sa bawat school. Okay, yes, Tutor Wella. So next na tayo.
Opo, Tutor
Okay.
Joby. Let's move on.
Okay. Ano nga ba yung sweet mangoes, Tutor Ayla? SM. So, matagal na tayong di nakakapunta sa SM. Okay.
Okay,
Go, Tutor
bawal
Wella.
pa kasi.
Yes.
Okay, so let us start with this story problem. Tutor Joby, sweet mangoes. Okay. Lolo Kiko's farm produces sweet mango fruits delivered in public markets in Bicol. There are 9,030 mangoes harvested this month. If each basket can be filled with 645 mangoes, how many baskets are needed to pack all the mangoes? Okay, so Tutor Joby, this is an example of a routine problem. And in solving routine problem, may mga steps tayong sinusunod. Okay, for step 1, you have to understand the problem. Know what is asked and what are given. So, for understanding the problem, if you understand, you have to write the number of basket needed, and the given facts are 9,030 mangoes harvested and 645 mangoes in a basket. Okay, so yan na po. Sa sunod na step ay you have to plan. Okay, so in planning, there is, the operation, and you have to write the number sentence. Okay, so since we are studying division, so of course, the process that we have in our problem, we are going to use division. So in writing the number sentence, we have 9,030 divided by 645 equals to n. Okay, let's move on to step 3. Okay. So step 3, we have to solve. So 9,030, we have to divide it by 645. Okay. So take a look at the numbers in the dividend and in the divisor and then compare. Sabi nga ni Tutorwela last time, you have to follow the compare, divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Okay, so let's compare and divide. 9,030 divided by 645. So we have there na equals to 1. 1 and then follow the multiplication step. 1 times 645, that is 645. And then you have to subtract again. That is 258. And then since you have zero left
Another.
there in your dividend, so you have to bring it down. So bring down zero, naging 2,580. So 2,580 divided by 645, we come up with a quotient of 4. So 4 times 645, that is equal to 2,580. And then subtract it again. So our answer will be 0. So walang remainder, walang sobra. Okay. So how are we going to check
Check.
our answer? So we have to follow step 4. We have there check and look back. Okay, paano nga ba tayo mag-check? So in division, we have to multiply 645 times 14. So multiply 645 times 4, that is 2,580. And then multiply 645 times 1, that is 645. And then add the two subproducts. So that is equal to 9,030. So since we have the same product, same as with the dividend, so our answer is correct. So tama ang sagot
Yes.
natin. Okay, di po ba? So next, let's move on, Tutor Jovi. Therefore, Lolo Kiko needs 14 baskets to pack all the mangoes. Okay. Don't forget the complete answer.
Answer.
Okay. Muntik na ni Tutor Wella makalimutan sabihin ang tamang sagot. Okay. So, next problem. Bakit lapis kitang mahal? Ang mahal siguro ng lapis. Kaya sa panahon ngayon, bakit lapis kitang mahal? So, Tutor Jovi, this is an example of a multi-step word
Yes.
problem. And then routine problem pa rin because may
Yes.
steps tayong susundin. Okay. So in routine problem kasi we cannot solve on in
Non-routine.
multi-step problem kailangan natin ng maraming mathematical operation. Hindi natin ma-solve ito ng isang operation lang ang ating sinusunod. So to answer this multi-step word problem, it is important to find the hidden question and analyze the problem carefully. Okay, so tingnan natin itong bakit kitang mahal. Let's read and solve. Okay, Karen had 450 boxes of pencils with 24 pencils in each box. She gave 16 boxes of pencils to his brother. How many pencils are left to Karen? If Karen decided to donate the remaining pencils to 6th grade school classes, how many pencils will each class receive? Okay, children, take a look at the problem and the given facts there. And then let's find out what are the hidden facts or the hidden questions. Okay, so we
Okay,
have
that's
to follow step 1. Okay, step 1, find the total number of pencils and the total number of pencils given to her brother. So yun muna ang una nating hanapin, yan muna ang una nating isolve. So that is 16 times 24 equals to 384 pencils given to her brother. Okay, so ilan lahat ang pencil? So you have there 450 times 24 equals to 10,800 pencils in all. So nakuha nyo na yung step 1, you move to step 2. So find now the number of pencils in left to Karen. So iyan na. 10,800 minus 384 is equals to 10,416. So, nakuha nyo na ang natirang lapis kay Karen. So, move to step 3. Okay, step 3, find the number of pencils that each grade school class will receive. So, ilan nga ba? So, 10,416, you have to divide it to the 6 schools. Di po ba? 6, okay. So, our answer will be 1,736. Okay, so each class will receive 1,736 pencils. Okay. So, alam na ng mga learners natin ang pag-solve ng
Yes.
multi-step routine problem. Okay, just know
Yes.
the hidden facts, the hidden question para makuha nyo ang tamang sagot. So, kailangan lang i-analyze and then follow the steps to answer. So, each
Okay.
class will receive 1,736 pencils. Okay, so
Oh,
nakuha ito ni nakuha ni Mac Prince, nakuha din, nag-solve din sila. Sinamahan nila tayo, Tutor Joby, sa
yes.
pag-solve. Okay. So,
Let's
pasensya na
proceed.
kayo. Mukhang busy ang aming mga kapitbahay sa pagpukpok. I'm very sorry for that. Okay. So, let's continue, Tutor Joby.
Okay, so
Okay.
next proceed naman tayo sa ating bilis bills. Ano nga bang uri din ng problem ito? Basahin muna natin para malaman natin kung anong uri ng problem. So Billy has 100 peso bill. If he would like to change it to smaller bills and coins such as 50 pesos, 20 pesos, and 10 pesos, how many combinations can he have? So, children, this is an example of non-routine problem. So kapag non-routine problem, doon sa ating past lessons, we have to use different methods like listing method, making a table, illustration or drawing or diagram, guessing and checking, pwede rin, looking for a pattern, pwede, working backwards, at breaking up a problem into smaller ones. So, gagamit tayo alinman doon sa ating mga nabanggit na method. So, let's proceed. So, 100 peso bills, papalitan daw natin into 50, 20, and 10. At ilan ang combination na pwede nating gawin? Okay. So, look at this. Making a list. Ano nga ba? So, we have there 50 plus 50, we come up with 100. Then, 50 plus 20 plus 20 plus 10, we come up with 100 then. Another, pangatlo, we have there 20 pesos. 50, 20, 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 100. The number 4 combination, we have 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 100. So, 5 na 10. Next, we have there limang 20. So, 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 equals 100. So, number 6 combination, we have so, apat na 20 at dalawang 10. Come up with 100. Next combination, we have there tatlong tig 20 at apat na tig 10 pesos. 100 pa rin po yon. Next, we have there dalawang 20 at anim na tig 10 pesos. We come up with 100. So, another combination, we have there isang 20 at 8 na tig 10 pesos. 100 pesos pa rin. And we have 10 pesos or 10 pesos na 10 pieces. So we come up with 100. So in making a list, how many combinations did we make? So we have 10 combinations. Okay, so that is making a list. Another method, we can use using table. So we have there 50, 20, 10, and the total is 100. So sa unang-unang combination, we have there 250 pesos. Second combination, we have 150 peso, 220 peso, and 110 pesos. Third combination, we have there 150 peso, 120 pesos, and 310 pesos. Fourth combination, we have there 150 pesos and 10. Sa 10 pesos naman, we have 5 pieces of 10 pesos. Okay. Then, pang fifth combination, we can use 5 20 peso bills. Sixth combination, we have there 4 20 pesos and 2 10 pesos. Next combination, we have there 3 20 pesos and 4 10 pesos. Next, Another combination, we have there 2 20 pesos and 6 10 pesos. Number 9 combination, we have there 20 pesos. We will only use one piece of 20 pesos. And we have there 8 10 pesos. And the last one is 10 pieces of 10 pesos. All in all, again, we have come up with 10 combinations using 50, 20, and 10 pesos. Okay, that is using table. Another one, we have there also illustration. So, ilang combination ang nagamit? Again, pag titingnan nyo ang ating illustration, pareho doon, meron pa rin tayong 10 combination. So, by using those methods, we come up with the same answer na 10 combination ang nagamit. Okay, so non-routine problem, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, magagamit yung iba't ibang paraan. Pero you will come up with the same answer pa rin. Okay, so let's proceed, Tutor Wella, sa ating mga problem. Okay, number 1, Tutor Wella.
Okay, let's solve the following problems. Number 1. A grocery store sells eggs by the dozen. If it has 787 eggs, how many dozens of eggs can it sell? Okay, so remember, learners, that a dozen, it is equal to 12 pieces. Okay,
Yes.
take a look at the important facts, which is 787. And then you have there 12 pieces. That is equal to 1 dozen. Okay, learners, comment down your answers on the comment box below. Okay. So, Tutor Joby, before sila mag-comment ng answer nila, ipasalamatan ko ang ating mga grade 4 teachers also sa pag-send ng link na to sa kanilang mga learners. Okay, maraming salamat, lalong-lalo na sa grade 4 teachers ng San Lorenzo Ruiz Elementary School. Okay, Tutor Joby, meron na silang sagot ba, Tutor Joby? Okay,
Yes,
may
yes
65
po.
dozen, sabi ni Catherine. Sabi ni
Okay.
Client, 65 dozen din. Okay, so tingnan nga natin, Tutor Joby, kung tama nga yung 65. Okay, so tama nga sila, Tutor Joby. 65 dozens of
Okay.
eggs. Okay, let's go to
Okay,
number
so
2.
let's proceed. So number 2, we have there Joseph, both 23 pineapples and 37 green mangoes. If he combined all the fruits and shared this equally to his 3 brothers, how many fruits did each of them get? Okay, so this is a routine multi-step problem. So take a look at 23 pineapples and 37 mangoes and equally given to his 3 brothers. Okay, so pagpatuloy na natin, Tutor Wella, at alam ko nagsasagot na rin sila. So ano nga ba ang magiging sagot dito, Tutor Wella? So we have there, sabi ko nga kanina, yung important
Ay.
facts dapat alam natin.
Ayan, may sagot
Okay,
na,
so
Tutor
yan.
Joby. Si Clint,
Okay, okay,
20
tingnan.
po each brother ang makukuha. Okay.
Okay,
Si
tingnan natin.
Kahulga din,
Yes.
20.
So
Okay.
kasi,
Very
yes,
good.
23. 23 plus 37 kasi we come up with 60 divided by his 3 brothers. So we come up with 20 fruits of each of his brothers. Okay, so let's proceed to number 3, Tutor Wella.
Okay. Continue, Tutor Joby. For number
Okay, so
3.
yes. So a club started the meeting with few members. Each time the club meets, each member brings one new member. If 96 members attended the 5th meeting, how many members were present during the first meeting? So kung babasahin mo ng isang beses yan, children, parang malilito ka. So basahin mo ulit. At this is an example of non-routine problem. Di ba, Tutor Wella? So
Yes.
look at the 5th members na meron na tayong 5th meeting is 96. So we are looking of how many were present during the first meeting. Ilan nga ba yung present nung first meeting nila? So we will use this as, okay, naipakita na natin yung Tuwela, nagmamadali na talaga ka. Okay, so 6 members were present during the first meeting. Bakit nga ba 96 yung 5th meeting? So by using working backward. So magsisimula tayo sa 5th day. So 5th day natin is 96. So bawat bawat attend daw nila, bawat isa ay magdadala ng isa din. So, kalahati ng 96, ang fourth day natin ay 48 because kalahati ng 96 ay 48. Then, sa third day natin, so 48 nung fourth day, sa third day natin divided by 2, so there are 24 members were present. Okay? Then sa second day, ang present dyan ay kalahati ng 24, so there are 12 who were present during the second day. At ilan daw ang ating first day, first meeting nila? So meron lang pong 6. So nakita nyo yung pag-work natin pabalik. So makikita mo yung kung ilan yung unang member na naki-meeting sa first meeting. Okay, so this is an example of non-routine problem. Okay, yes. So, meron tayong ipapakita dito, Tutor Wella, na magandang information na dapat malaman ng ating mga learners. Okay, Tutor Wella? So,
Okay.
so yan na po yung ating lesson ngayong araw. So, tignan naman natin kung ano yung ipapakita ni Tutor Wella na sineselebrate ngayong week. Okay, yes, Tutor
Okay.
Wella?
Okay, sa ating week ngayon for October 24, 31, nakikiisa ang ETUlay online tutorial sa pag-celebrate nito. So we want to inform everybody that Global Media and Information Literacy Week, that is from October 24 to 31, 2021, is ongoing with the theme Media and Information Literacy for the Public Good. So it links up local events around the world to promote media and information literacy because each individual needs to be equipped of this. Like identifying misrepresentation content is crucial to effect change. So media and information literacy skills help people examine and analyze content and context, create counter or alternative narratives, share and celebrate diverse stories on social media, and demand gender-sensitive content. Okay, so next, Tutor Jovi, they have to be equipped with top 5 skills to address artificial intelligence concerns on social media. Media and information literacy empowers people to understand how data is collected and used, recognize bias in algorithms, enhance safety and security, respect human rights principles, and self-protect against deep folks and misinformations. Okay. Okay, so children, you have to think critically and click
Click
wisely.
wisely.
Okay. So they can find out this series of forums on the page of UNESCO. I-search lang po nila yon. Okay.
Okay.
So next,
So,
Tutor Jovi.
okay, yan. May homework. Ano nga ba yung homework nila, Tutor Wella?
Okay,
Sige.
so children, dahil wala tayo next week, pahinga kayo next week, may homework kayo. You can use here your creativity to come up with a solution. So it is an example of non-routine problem. Okay, so children, paki-screenshot na ang inyong homework kasi pwede ninyo ito gagawin sa bahay and then i-post sa ating ETUlay FB page. Okay, na-screenshot na po ba? O di kaya ibalikan nyo ang link para sa grade 4 math sa ETUlay natin,
Yes.
sa online tutorial natin. Balikan nyo na lang para makita nyo ang ating homework. Okay, next, Tutor Joby.
Yes. Hintayin natin yung kanilang mga sagot, Tutor Wella, sa DepEd ETUlay FB page. Okay. So, ano nga ba? So, kailangan din nating malaman, Tutor Wella, dapat anong gawin dito sa Scan Me?
Okay, so Tutor Joby, pag nakikita ko to, alam ko malapit na tayong matapos. Kasi tapos na nga tayo. Oras na para
Sumobra
tapusin
na
natin.
tayo.
So we want to hear from you, learners. We want to know your comments, feedbacks, and suggestions. Kaya naman please, scan the code right now. So ngayon na po. Okay, so
Okay,
tapos
so
na naman ang isang Math Kabuluhang Friday. Thank you for sharing your time with us, learners. See you again next Friday. God bless everyone. Mamimiss namin kayo ni Tutor Jovi.
Yes. So, isang terrific Friday na naman ang nangyari sa atin, Tutor Wella. So, asahan natin ang kanilang pakikiisa sa susunod na Friday. So, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Huwag kayong magsawang mastuto sa math kabuluhang araw muli. So, up next, ang ating tutor sa grade 5, sina Tutor Joshua at Tutor Jordan. So, bye-bye. Thank you and God bless everyone.
God bless everyone. Stay safe.
Ang husay naman! Natapos mo ang iyong tutorial session kasama ang iyong mahusay na ETUlay tutor. May bago ka bang natutuhan? I-share na yan gamit ang hashtag #ETUlayLevelUp. Huwag aalis ha, dahil may susunod pang programa na pwede mo ring panoorin at salihan. Dahil naghihintay na ang iyong mga tutors. Happy learning dito sa ETUlay!